Okay, so this is the second question asked by your classmates, right? So I'm going to try to explain this by giving you a sense of how the center of gravity of a body appears to be, right? So a normal human being looks like that, right? So obviously, the center of gravity lies somewhere here, lah. Okay. Okay. So if the arms were raised, right? So if instead of this, my body looks and legs are the same, right? Okay. I apologize that it's not so, right? Clearly, this center of gravity instead of being here, right, should move higher, right? Hopefully, you understood the last video, right? And if in this case, right, in this case over here, is somewhere in between A and B, right? Where A is my hands are down, B my hands are up. Okay, so this one I'll say is point in between A B lah. So I call this C lah. Okay, so C is the context between A B. So C lies, the center of gravity lies somewhere in this region, right? Somewhere along this line. Okay, because this hand is not directly up, which increases the center of gravity as much as possible, and it's not exactly down either, right? Which makes the center of gravity as low as possible. Therefore, this allows me the flexibility to rock, right? Because if I were to go from position C, right? Remember that position C, my center of gravity is exactly above my pivot, right? If I go from position C to position B, right? That means my hands move down like that. Okay, my center of gravity should shift here, right? If it shifts here, it gives me a clockwise movement, right? So I rock clockwise. Okay, conversely, if instead of point C I want to shift to anti-clockwise, right, I'll put my hands down, right? That means the hands will go down like that, right? And instead of having the center of gravity here again, I will shift my center of gravity here, which means my weight is here now, right? And that gives me an anti-clockwise movement, right? So that allows you to rotate, right? Hopefully you understand how this works, right? So why will the chair rock forward, right? I assume rock forward means anti-clockwise, so anti-clockwise, right? So it rocks forward because the center of gravity of the weight changes from here to here, alright? Therefore, that instead of having no moment in this case, right, now I have a anti-clockwise moment, right? So that will be explain the forward, so-called forward rotation, which actually is anti-clockwise rotation, right? Yeah, so hopefully if I have explained the last part, alright, you understand what I'm talking about already. Okay, otherwise the person who sent me this question, you can text me again. Okay, I'll allow you a secondary question because your primary question came in time yesterday night. Okay,